Hey guys, Alan Berkman's here to do an installation video of the Invisible Shield by Zag for the BlackBerry Bold 9700. I thought I'd just run through this with you guys since it's my first time putting one of these on, so we'll see how it goes. So I have the instructions right here. Let's go through those. Step 1. Wash hands. I've already taken the liberty of doing that ahead of time, so you wouldn't have to watch that. Step 2, wipe off the device with the included cloth that came with it. Let's just give it a good wipe down here. And I think that's good there. Background 5 gum. It's great. Anyway, we on step 3. Looks like I'm taking the Invisible Shield out of its wrapper. There we go. Invisible Shield. Now it wants me to sponge fingers to wet them. This helps avoid fingerprints on the Invisible Shield. So I'm guessing you would use the Invisible Shield application solution with sponge. See if I can open this without getting it everywhere, which I'm doing right now. See if you can take a look at that there. That's the sponge with the application solution in there. So I want to just get my fingers good and wet to avoid any fingerprints on the invisible shield. Alright. Sponge the backs, or remove invisible shield from the backing. So let's get this out here. Comes. Then you want to sponge the back side of the invisible shield to wet it enough so that adjustments are made possible once it's on there. There we go. Hope that's not too wet, but we'll see. If we lay that on there, and just slide it into place. There we go. Say that's just about it right there. So now what we're going to do is align the shield on the device, which we've done. Now we want to wet the front side of the invisible shield. See if I can take this out here. There we go. And squeegee out the bubbles. The warranty card actually doubles as an installation card. You just squeegee out all the bubbles. And I finally get it on. Let's take a look. Can't even tell it's there. Well, it may not have taken 8 days. It just took me 8 days to put this video together. Actually, the second time around that I tried to put this on, it actually went a lot smoother. You just had to kind of hold it in place as you squeegee it. There's still a couple very, very tiny bubbles in there that nobody really notices except me, because I know they're there. And yeah, but overall it was easy to put on. So far it's really holding up. There's not even a scratch on the invisible shield itself, and I've made sure that I've put it in situations where it will get scratched. So overall, I'm liking it so far. It's a great product, and I suggest if you're looking for a screen protector, go out and check the Invisible Shield by Zag out, and you won't be disappointed. Again, thanks for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Please feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe, and check out my blog as well, www.techinfo852.blogspot.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye.